Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Aisha and I'm glad that you clicked on this video today. So today we are working with some hair from Caitlyn hair, and I'm just showing you guys what comes inside the box right now. You have your hair, comes with a wig cap, and it has a thank you card in there with some instructions, you know. Once again, this is Caitlyn hair. So just open up the hair right now. I'm gonna have more details at the end of the video about the hair. Here is the inside. And you have your combs in there. Comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the bottom, 1 in the middle. Then here is your hairline. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into this install. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, I will have more detail about the hair at the end of the video, so make sure you watch until the end. do want to mention that this hair did have like a synthetic type feeling to it. It was like a different type of texture, kind of like a yucky texture, like, but also like you feel the human in it too. I don't know, it's really different. But if you guys like your hair to feel that way, then there you go. I thought it was because of the hairspray that I sprayed in it when I was curling the hair, but I had washed the hair after that and it still had that same feeling. So y'all, I am hot and I'm tired. I'm like, I don't know. The hair is good, but I just don't know with the hairstyle that I did. I don't know if I really like it or not. What y'all think? I wish I had like a bigger wand curl because this is like so small and it's like the look I was trying to go for, I couldn't achieve with this. So this is where we at now. This is my first time. Installing a 4x4 lace front. So, but about this hair, I am going to post up a picture over here. Show you guys some pictures of this hair. This hair was 20 inches long. Like I said before, it was from Caitlyn hair. And it is a 4x4 lace closure. I'm sorry if y'all hear my kids in the background. I be trying to record when they are at daycare, but today it didn't work out the way that I wanted to. So if y'all hear them in the background, I apologize now, but you know, it is what it is. Anyways, so back to the hair. So with this being a 4x4, it is harder to like make a side part because you know it already come basically ready for you to have that middle part, and I kind of had to keep going over it with the hot comb trying to flatten it out. I tried to get it as flat as I could, but it was kind of like made to go into like a middle part. I feel like if I would have did a middle part, it would have been a little bit easier, but I'm not really a big fan of middle parts. If y'all know, I always say this. My forehead a little too big for that. I like stuff like to be in my face, kind of. Curling it though, you guys seen, I do feel like it curls pretty easily and it holds a curl. And when I was brushing, combing through the hair, I didn't get any shedding, really, at all. I actually didn't get any shedding. I like keep running my hands through my hair, like, as I'm talking about it. Because I'm trying to, like, I feel like it helps me think better to figure out, like, what am I going to talk about? But I did not pluck or bleach this hair. I put it on exactly how it came. The only thing I did do was, you see me tint the lace. So this is how the hair is, you know. There's a lot I can't even think straight. So we're gonna wrap it up here. So I do want to give a thank you for Caitlyn Hair for reaching out to me to review this hair for them. Make sure you guys go check them out. It will be down in the description box. And if you did like this video, please give this... Jinx, really? Can you move?
Yeah.
Yeah, move. But if you did like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.